Hello friends, welcome to the channel Weight Point. Obesity can be like a nightmare for everyone. Most disease can be caused by obesity, and this is true. Many people are very upset to reduce obesity. People who are troubled by obesity want to reduce obesity, but they don't know the right way. People are searching for home remedies for weight loss, but they don't lose weight due to not getting the right advice and the right guidance. And because of this, many people are under stress. So many people avoid going in front of their relatives. If you are tired by taking these measures and the weight is not decreasing, so please guys, don't worry. This channel will help in reducing your weight, your obesity. You will be 100% successful in reducing your weight. And you will live a happy life. Subscribe the channel for more videos and hit the bell icon, and thank you so much guys for watching this video.